Hey viewer, in this video tutorial we will make the specific arrangement of the shapes to create a different design. So there we will take that shape and again we will make the adjacent shape with it. So there we will make the further shapes in specific arrangement that gives a visual to know about that. So here we will create the further shapes as well with the similar arrangement so that it is. Again we will keep on making. So here make it, then for the further changes we will do that. So that's it.